Hello, my little stars, and welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. Today, we have a super fun episode called Casual English Dialogue at the Park with Friends. And guess who's here with me? Our bright, curious friend, Leo. Say hi, Leo.
Hi, everyone. I'm super excited because today we're going to the park. I love the park. There are kids, dogs, trees, slides, everything.
That's right, Leo. And today, we're going to practice simple English conversations you might use when playing at the park with friends. We'll learn how to greet friends, ask questions, share toys, and invite others to play. Are you ready for an adventure?
Oh, yes. Let's go now. I can already hear kids running around.
Wow! Listen to that breeze. Such a perfect day for a park adventure. Now, Leo, imagine you just arrived and you see a friend. What would you say?
I think I would say, "Hi, do you want to play?"
Perfect! That's a great way to start a conversation. Hi, do you want to play? Let's repeat it together slowly so our listeners can practice too. Hi, do you want to play?
Hi, do you want to play?
Excellent. Now imagine your friend smiles and says, yes, let's play on the swings. What do you say back, Leo?
I would say, "Okay, let's go."
That's wonderful! Such great energy, Leo. Now, let's teach everyone listening another important phrase. Wait for me. Sometimes when kids run fast, you need to catch up. Repeat after me. Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Great. Now, let's pretend you and your friend are running toward the swings. What sound would that make?
Lots of footsteps. Like this. Tap, 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 tap.
Very good. Now, you both reach the swings. What would you ask if you want to take turns?
I could say, "Can I have a turn?"
Exactly. Can I have a turn? This is a polite and friendly phrase. Let's repeat it together. Can I have a turn?
Can I have a turn?
Perfect. And your friend might say, sure, after me. So you can answer, okay, I'll wait.
Okay, I'll wait.
Amazing, Leo. Now, let's move on. Imagine you're playing with a ball at the park. A friend comes over and asks, can I play too? What do you say?
I would say, "Yes, let's play together."
Wonderful kindness. Sharing is a beautiful thing. Let's repeat the phrase. Let's play together.
Let's play together.
Now, imagine someone throws the ball, but it goes far away. What do you shout, Leo?
I'll get it.
Good job! I'll get it is a useful phrase. Let's practice.
I'll get it.
And when you catch the ball again, you might say, here you go, which means you're giving something to someone.
Here you go.
Perfect. Now, look around, Leo. What else do you see in the park?
I see a big slide and some kids laughing and a dog running around. He looks so happy.
Aw, that's adorable. Now, let's teach listeners how to describe what they see. Repeat after me. I see a big slide.
I see a big slide.
Next, I hear kids laughing.
I hear kids laughing.
And one more. I see a dog running.
I see a dog running.
Beautiful! You're doing amazing, Leo. Now, let's pretend you want to ask a friend to join you on the slide. What do you say?
Come slide with me.
That's perfect! Let's repeat. Come slide with me.
Come slide with me.
Wonderful! Now, imagine your friend is afraid of heights. What can you say to help them feel safe?
I can say, "It's okay, I'll go with you."
That's so kind, Leo, and very useful. Let's repeat. It's okay, I'll go with you.
It's okay, I'll go with you.
Great job! Now, imagine you want to know your friend's favorite thing at the park. What question can you ask?
What do you like to play?
Exactly. And they might answer, I like the slide, or I like the swings, or even, I like playing tag.
Oh, I love playing tag too.
Then let's teach our listeners how to invite someone to play tag. Repeat, do you want to play tag?
Do you want to play tag?
Excellent! Now, let's teach a few more useful phrases for kids having fun at the park. Let's run! Watch out! Good job! That was fun! Let's do it again.
Let's run! Watch out! Good job! That was fun. Let's do it again.
Perfect! You said them all beautifully. Now, let's create a little role play so our listeners can repeat after us. Ready, Leo?
Yes, let's do it.
I'll play the friend, and you play yourself. Here we go. Hi, Leo. Do you want to play?
Yes, let's play together.
Do you want to go on the swings?
Okay, let's go.
Wait for me.
Come on, let's run.
You go first.
Thank you. Look, I'm swinging high.
Good job. Want to play tag now?
Yes, you're it.
I'm coming. Run, Leo.
Watch out. Don't bump into the slide.
I gotcha.
That was fun. Let's do it again.
Amazing. And that, kids, is how you use simple English phrases to play, talk, and have fun with friends at the park.
Miss Lily, can we teach them a fun sentence using all the words?
That's a great idea, Leo. Here's one. I play with my friends at the park, and we have fun together. Let's repeat it together.
I play with my friends at the park, and we have fun together.
Perfect. Now, let's teach a little rhyme to help our listeners remember the park vocabulary. At the park, we run and play. We laugh and swing every day. We share our toys. We smile so bright. Friends make every moment light.
Wow, that was amazing! I love these rhymes, Miss Lily.
I'm so glad, Leo. Rhymes help us remember words faster. And listeners, if you liked this rhyme, tell us in the comments.
Yes! Tell us your favorite thing to do at the park.
And before we end today's episode, let's practice a final review of all the phrases we learned. Ready?
Yes!
Here we go. Hi, do you want to play? Let's go! Wait for me! Can I have a turn? Let's play together! I'll get it! Here you go! I see a big slide. I hear kids laughing. Do you want to play tag? That was fun! Let's do it again!
Hi, do you want to play? Let's go! Wait for me! Can I have a turn? Let's play together! I'll get it! Here you go! I see a big slide. I hear kids laughing. Do you want to play tag? That was fun! Let's do it again!
Excellent job, Leo! And excellent job, kids listening! You're learning English in such a fun and natural way!
And it makes the park even more fun!
It sure does. And that wraps up today's episode, Casual English Dialogue at the Park with Friends. We hope you had as much fun as we did.
Bye, everyone! Come back for the next episode!
And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and tell us in the comments what you love doing at the park. You help our podcast grow. See you next time, little stars!